In this video, I will show you how to fix Yahoo Mail verification code problem. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I want you to do is log into your Yahoo Mail account. Once that's done, now I want you to understand that there are several steps you can use to fix the Yahoo Mail verification problem. The first step will be to verify your recovery contact info, and that would involve scrolling to the end of the page where you see your initials of your account. You go to manage your account. Now on the manage your account, you come to looking for something else, and you come to view contact info. Now for view contact info, you need to check, you see add more ways of signing in. You need to add a phone number to ensure that your recovery information is intact. I don't have a phone number, and to add a phone number I definitely need to do a two-step verification, but you need to add a phone number. Another way to check for it is to go back to your Yahoo Mail. And once you're in your Yahoo Mail, you can come to the spam folders. You can set your alternate email spam, junk, or promotions folder for messages from Yahoo that include the code. You can also wait for 5 to 10 minutes to resend the code. So it might be a network issue from there. And if you're using a different method, like an ISP that sends the email or the code, you need to check with the email provider to ensure that it's not blocking Yahoo emails, and you have to add yahoo.com to your allow list. Now that's how you fix the mail verification code problem. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.